You looking cute for boyfriend, huh? You like the lawn now? Lawn or salt?
Long, Ling Ling.
Come in.
And don't try to charge me extra either.
Oh. How many months are you?
16.
16? That baby should have been out and working in the crops. I mean...
What? You trying to call my baby a slave?
You know how you black people be? You know where I came from? Mm-hmm. You gotta have them children working at a young age. Cause
Ling Ling.
You
talking too much.
In Japan.
You talking too much, Ling Ling.
Maybe I can't start working at like 5.
Long.
Japan? It's jump from China. Y'all Japanese?
Oh yeah, I'm mixed with Chinese and Japanese. My father Japanese, my mom Chinese.
Let me see how you look.
Come on, relax.
What next? You don't know what next? How you gonna be licensed in Japanese and shit? And shoot.
Like
Wipe her nails off. Her cuticles off. What you do, Ling Ling?
Oh, they look so pretty now.
They think?
that thing. Hunka, what you been doing with them nails? Like they smell like they've been up somebody's butt.
Honey.
Now take the file. No, yep.
Like
Give it a rough file. I ain't say beat the client hand.
I'm giving you a report.
You know, you gotta get in there.
Go ahead.
Gotta drink my snack.
There's a bootleg salon.
You got sausage fingers. You ever watched that show called, I don't know.
Long.
It's called Sausage Party. You do it just like the your fingers are just like the sausage.
Says the lady who kills cats and dogs.
Yummy. I eat that for breakfast. Livers and eyeballs. Right in my cereal. I eat squid too. Raw.
Sushi?
No, just squid.
Ah!
She getting cute. Who she getting cute for, Ling Ling?
Some ugly little boy. Must be coming in here looking like a goddamn pregnant mama. She need to get the hair done next. Shoot. I'll go in labor in my salon. I ain't got time to be calling up paramedics. Messing up.
You gonna deliver this baby, Ling Ling?
That baby gonna be cooked on the stove. It's gonna be my cat's next dinner.
I'm not coming back to this.
Ling Ling, why your shop still got their Christmas tree up? And their Christmas decorations?
That's just the manager. I don't control that. Like, she need to get her ish together, cause me, I ain't helping taking it down either, cause I ain't put it up.
Ling Ling, that's a shame.
I don't care. They act like they They want to be the boss of everything, so they could be the boss of that tree and take it down.
What you look like, Ling Ling? Let me see your face. Ling Ling, have anybody ever tell you ugly?
Have your mother tell you you ugly? Oh, okay.
Let me see, Ling Ling. Let me take a picture. Oh, Lord.
Cardi.
Yo,
You know what you like?
You are taking the.
That shit crusty now. Like, you messing up. No, I'm gonna
Lady,
have to.
Following
I'm gonna have
so hard, the paper coming off.
I'm gonna have to charge you for that.
No.
she gonna charge you for a new freaking
Nail
what's it
file.
called? Nail file.
Oh, this one's sticky.
I'm over her.
Ling Ling, who turned
Ling Ling.
61?
Sis, you been on the same nail for 5
Bobby turned 61 today.
Bobby? Who Bobby, Ling
He did his
Ling?
last nails today.
Who Bobby?
He only did like 10 clients. Bobby, the one slumped in the chair right there looking like he about to die.
But ain't nobody in that chair,
Yes,
Ling Ling.
yes, he is. Yes, he is. And,
What you give this shop a rating? What's your rating for this shop?
I gotta wait till after my nails done.
Oh.
okay.
Dang, why her file is all bent up like that?
See, you're gonna have to get out my shop with this criticism. Like, I don't. No, I support the blacks. I support the blacks.
How you support the blacks when you just said you was Japanese and Chinese?
My mama messed around with a black guy.
So you don't know who your father is, Ling Ling.
Yeah.
So you could be Korean right now and you don't even know.
It's out of 3 people.
That's just nasty. That's some whole ish.
Well, my mom.
Let me see how you look again.
My mama got 20 kids. I'm not even gonna lie. She got 20 kids.
She was a hoe.
15 girls and 5 boys. And she got another one on the way. Triplets.
How old is she?
Girl, they're all boys.
No, how old is she?
61.
I thought you said that was.
I mean, she's not 61. She's 21.
But how old are you, Ling Ling?
This long.
I mean, she.
Nah, we gotta go, babe. Let's go. We gotta get up out of this shop.
Oh, hello, Mom. How are you? How old are you? Oh, 45.
You still not doing the math.
45. I am only 19, as you can see. My bloom says. What next? Let me.
Why her phone didn't have nobody up there?
Hey, Philly.
What the fuck is she doing?
Ling Ling, this is taking a little too long.
Where?
All right, now let's get the nails. Grab that go bag.
Sis, you gotta do better than this. I am not coming back. You
Get the
get it.
nails.
Where?
Right there. Mom put them right there. They right there. Now go back. The go bag over there. Corner.
You guys, we ain't recording them no more because they ratchet. This nail salon, we gotta go. I got to go. Your girl ain't here for this. Make sure y'all go ahead, like, comment. You know, do all the good stuff. Make sure you subscribe because I know you already did already. You know what I'm saying? It's your girl, Princess Absolute. Make sure you do what it
The
do.
wheel.
Do what you do. Subscribe, like, comment, share. And also, don't
God.
forget to turn on your post notification. And subscribe to your girl, moi, Princess Absolute. And make sure you go ahead and email me at PrincessAbsolute. Excuse me?
She said, your eyebrows is disappearing.
Oh, it's okay. My eyebrow. Yeah, I had a rough day. Make sure you go ahead and email your girl at princessabsolute@gmail.com. Make sure you hit me up on Instagram at PrincessAbsolute.
Make sure they're the right size.
Make sure you hit me up on Snap at PrincessAbsolute. Do all that good stuff. Hit your girl up right now. So do it now. Yeah. And don't worry about my eyebrows. It's okay. A girl had a bad day. And it's my daughter's birthday, you guys.
It was.
She turned the big 16. We don't care how many hours it was. All right. Gotta go.